Good morning. Today we are going to talk about adjustable wrenches. As you can see, we've got three different sizes here: the small one, medium and the large. Obviously the small one will be small for using on smaller jobs, like you can see here, the small one on the left and the bigger one on the right. And then you will also get that bigger one that you have seen just now. So we're going to use them according to the size of the adjustable wrench. That is also called a shifting spanner in South Africa, and that means that the small one will be used for small jobs only. The reason for that is because it's not a heavy duty spanner, and as you can see, it's got an adjuster that is like a round wheel. When you turn that wheel, you will see that the end of this wrench will be opening and closing as you turn that wheel. You do that so that you can fit this spanner onto your bolt head or your nut, and it can be a tight fit. You see here we've got the bigger one. It's the same thing. You turn that wheel so that you can adjust the spanner, the opening of the head there. Okay, here we've got the bolt head. We're going to put this adjustable wrench on it. Now we have to close it so it can have a tight fit. Even move it to the back so that it can touch on three sides there. You will see there at the top, the back and the bottom. That will give you the best fit on it, and you turn it to go and fit tightly. So when you want to move this spanner, you will use it to move now to the left side, because the movable part are on the left side. We call it that the open side of the spanner. So you will have to move it to the left, and obviously you're going to do it clockwise now, and you will be opening it. Now to loosen that bolt, you will turn your spanner around and turn it anti-clockwise to loosen it. You see that is the movable part. You always go to the movable part. Don't hit your spanner with a hammer, nor put a pipe on it, because you can damage this spanner. It's not made for more power than you can use as a human on that handle. Now this is just to show you the different sizes. We were using that one and that one for our demonstration, but you can see they also get them in a very big size. That is because you don't need to use a small tool for a big job. There is bigger tools to handle the bigger jobs. And if you don't use this tool correctly, you can damage it like this one. You can see here that wheel is totally missing. It was supposed to have a round wheel like that one, and this was probably being used as a hammer to hit on something, or was using to the wrong side to turn it to that outside and not to the open side. So the wheel was broken off, and now this spanner is actually useless. As you can see, it just falls apart because there's no wheel for adjusting anymore. So please don't use your tool for anything else that it is designed for, and don't put pipes on it to make this handle longer, because then you will also use more power than supposed to, and you can also break it. Would you please subscribe and like my videos, all from Farmer Friends.